In this video, I'm going to show you how to restore lost data in MacroFactor. So if you don't have the application download, make sure to go and download it in any store that you have. And of course, you would like to log in into an account if you have an account. And if you don't have an account, go and create a new account. Of course, the application is paid and it will require for you a plan, but it will give you 7 days free trial. It's not completely free because you'll have to pay $1 to try it out. After that, you'll have to start paying if you like it. So if you counter now any missing data in MacroFactor, don't worry, your information is likely still intact. The most basically common cause is logging in with a different email example or authentication method, which can create some new empty account. So how can you restore your data? You can simply go and sign out from the application. You can go and click on more and simply just scroll down. Oh, sorry, not here. Go to accounts first, then scroll down and you'll have to click on logout. Then sign in using your original credentials. You will have, of course, if you previously used like a specific email, go and log in using that same email. If you're logged in using Google or Apple sign in, use that option as well. And of course, logging in with different credentials can create new accounts, making it seem like the data is lost. By signing in with your original method, your data should reappear in your account. Of course, if your data remains stored, even if your subscription lapses, you can resubscribe later without losing any information. And if you find yourself in a new account, you can sign out and log in back to your original credentials to access your data always. And if you wish to reset your data, you can always go to more here as example, I guess, and here you'll be able to go and click on account and data like a deletion, and you'll be able to delete everything. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.